Hello guys. Okay guys, Om Bin berjumpa lagi dengan korang. Sekarang Om Bin nak mereaction lagi video. Satu video daripada Top Luxury Channel. Tajuk dia Bangunan Masa Hadapan, Bangunan Pencakar Langit Masa Hadapan di Asia. Tahun 2023 akan datang. So mungkin ni dia punya perancangan sajalah. Bangunan-bangunan yang mungkin tengah dirancang sekarang dan mungkin pada tahun 2030 bangunan-bangunan ni akan masuk ranking lah guys, tertinggi di Asia. Sebab seperti yang korang tahu guys, sekarang bangunan-bangunan tertinggi di dunia ni guys, kebanyakannya daripada Asia. Jauh sekali meninggalkan Eropah, Amerika, bahagian Amerika sana. Dia jauh meninggalkan. Maknanya sekarang ni negara-negara di Asia, terutama di Asia Tenggara, dia berlomba-lomba guys untuk buat bangunan tinggi. Wow, amazing tak guys? ASEAN. Okay guys. So guys, kita tengok je videonya. Obin pun tak tahu lagi apa videonya pada tahun 2030. Okay guys. Tanpa berlengah masa, kita ni je. 1, 2, 3, play.
Over the years, nations around the world improved their skylines with ever larger skyscrapers, and Asia is definitely not excluded from this trend. As of today, 22 of the top 25 tallest buildings in the world are located in Asia, the remaining 3 in the
22
USA.
guys.
But by 2030, Asia will host many more super tall, record-breaking skyscrapers. In today's video, we will show you the 10 most interesting future skyscrapers in Asia, including the Pertamina Energy Tower,
This is my first time guys tengok
Tower,
dia punya
and the
ranking
Signature
untuk tu.
Tower in Jakarta. Before we go on, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Top Luxury.
Jangan lupa guys,
Let us know in the comments below which of
Luxury.
these top 10 skyscrapers is your favorite.
Wow.
Number 10. Chengdu Greenland Tower.
Okay, Chengdu.
With a height of 468
meters,
Chengdu. The Chengdu Greenland Tower will be the
sampai.
tallest building in southwest China
Tahun 2013
and the fourth
guys,
tallest in China. Construction on the Chengdu Greenland Tower began in 2014 to be completed in 2022.
Oh my
Its
god,
unique design
2022,
was inspired by the
2022 guys.
icy mountain terrain
Tahun
around
depan,
Chengdu.
wow.
Just as the mountain ridges reflect the sunlight,
Amazing.
the Chengdu Greenland Tower will also reflect the light in all directions of the vast city. To
Oh
enhance
my
this
god
effect,
guys,
the tower features a series of LED lights on its exterior. On top of the Chengdu Greenland Tower is a roof garden that offers a 360-degree view of the city.
Chengdu Tower.
Number 9. Pertamina Energy Tower.
Pertamina Energy Tower.
The Pertamina Energy Tower is a 523-meter tall proposed skyscraper in Jakarta, Indonesia, which will serve as the headquarters of the state-owned energy company.
Oh my
Upon
god.
completion, it would become the tallest building in Indonesia, creating a breathtaking new landmark on Jakarta's skyline. The Pertamina Energy Tower
guys,
will be the
daripada
world's
Asia Tenggara
first
lagi.
super tall skyscraper where energy generation
Sebenarnya
and
Asia
safety
Tenggara
are
ni
the
guys,
most
dia boleh bersaing dengan Asia. Asia dah kalahkan Amerika dengan Eropah, tapi Asia tu, di Asia tu sendiri daripada Asia Tenggara tu paling banyak. Wow, Pertamina guys. Amazing. Daripada Jakarta, mungkin dekat Jakarta tu guys, Pertamina ni. Ke kat mana
Unfortunately, the financial director of the Pertamina announced in 2015 that further construction of the Pertamina Energy Tower had to be suspended due to low oil prices. After that, CNN also
tak apalah, kita doakan harap-harap guys,
that the proposed
akan berjalan juga
skyscraper
pembinaan
will be
dia.
replaced with a scaled-down 30-story tower, which is 69 stories
cantik
less
guys
than
dia
the
punya
original
keadaan.
design. So, as of now, it doesn't look like this tower will become reality.
Oh my god, cantiknya guys dia punya tu, design dia, my god. Mungkin dia dekat Jakarta kot guys, dia bangunkan. Wow, cantik.
Anytime soon. Number 8. Hyundai Global Business Center.
Hyundai.
In 2016, car maker Hyundai announced a 569-meter tall tower located in the Gangnam district of Seoul. At an estimated cost of $3.4 billion, construction on the super tall skyscraper began in 2020, but was halted in early 2021. If finished, it will surpass the
my
Lotte World
God.
Tower to become
Okay,
South
Umi dapat
Korea's
sampai guys
tallest
dekat
building.
Lotte World Tower ni.
An observation deck will be seated at 553 meters above the ground, just 2 meters shy of the Burj Khalifa's, which is the highest in the world.
Amazing.
Other major buildings that will be connected include a 600-seat classical music theater and a 2,000-seat concert hall, which will become the largest one in Gangnam upon completion.
Oh my God.
Number 7. Nexus Tower.
Nexus Tower. Oh my God.
With the boom
Mana
in
ni, guys?
skyscrapers all
Cantik
around
dia.
the world, Shenzhen is definitely not left out of the race.
Shenzhen.
London-based PLP architecture is planning an
My
innovative
God.
and futuristic
Maknanya China
new
guys
skyscraper
memang
in Shenzhen
hebat.
called the Nexus Tower.
Oh my God.
Located on the Pearl River Delta, the Nexus Tower will stand at 595
Cantiknya, guys.
meters and become the 18th
Dan
tallest building in
600
the
meter
world.
guys.
The tower will consist of 3
595.
separate rectangular towers that are
Oh,
connected to one
amazing dah
another
dia
by a
punya
strong central
reka
core.
bentuk dia tu guys.
This ensures stability and gives the Nexus Tower an unusual but interesting design.
Luar biasa.
Number 6. Golden Finance 117.
Okay.
Golden Finance 117 is a super tall, unfinished skyscraper in Tianjin, China.
Oh, Tianjin
The
guys.
skyscraper
Kau
is
minta belum sampai guys
597
Tianjin.
meters tall. And
Wow,
is the world's
597
tallest
meter
flat-roof
guys.
building,
Oh
which
my
means that the
God.
building does not have a spire on its
Oh,
roof.
semua daripada
It
Asia.
took this title from the Willis Tower in Chicago, which has held the record for years at 442 meters. The tower's highest floor is planned to have an indoor swimming pool. Located at
Oh my God
564
guys.
meters high,
Luar
the
biasa.
swimming pool would become
Asia
the
punya
highest in the world.
kerja.
Imagine the views that you could enjoy from this swimming pool.
Sorry guys.
Unfortunately, the Golden Finance currently also holds the record for the world's tallest abandoned building. Initial construction started in 2007, but was halted in 2010 due to the Great Recession.
Oh, dia tengah on hold juga
Construction
guys.
work resumed at the beginning of 2011, but was
Mungkin dia ada
repaused
masalah
again
kot
after
pembinaan
topping
dia.
out in 2016
Masalah
due to further
keuangan ke
financing problems.
hal-hal tertentu.
As of today, no visible progress has been
tingginya.
made, and the abandoned building currently
Oh my
towers over
God.
the city of Tianjin like a ghost. Number 5. Grand Rama 9.
Oh, Grand Rama 9.
The Grand Rama 9 Tower is a super tall skyscraper that is currently under
Oh my
construction
God.
in Bangkok, Thailand. With a planned height of 615
Bangkok,
meters,
Thailand,
it will
guys.
become the tallest
615. Tapi guys, bentuk dia guys, dia lebih kurang yang apa tadi yang dekat Jakarta, yang dekat Indonesia tadi guys, yang Pertamina. Cuma yang Bangkok ni dia ada tepi-tepi dia tu lain. Tapi dari segi design dia yang ke atas tu, dia macam lebih kurang guys dengan yang tadi. Yang dekat yang Jakarta tu. Tak tahu lagi lah sebab ni mungkin dia cuma apa dia punya design sahaja. Mungkin kadang kan dia ada perubahan. Tapi kalau dari segi bentuk guys, nanti kalau kita tengok balik semula yang Pertamina tu, macam dia lebih kurang yang macam gitu. Cuma yang Bangkok ni pula dia ada yang tepi ni. Okay. Oh, 615
building in
kau.
Thailand,
Oh my
which is
God.
almost twice as tall as the current record holder, the 316-meter tall Mahanakhon.
Mahanakon.
At an estimated cost of $500 million, the Grand
My
Rama 9
God,
Tower was
tingginya.
designed with the environment and energy
Amazing
consumption
lah guys.
in mind,
Tengokkan guys
and will
daripada
emit
ASEAN
as little
lagi.
carbon dioxide as
So
possible.
diorang tak boleh main-main guys dengan
Located in the
negara-negara
heart of the
ASEAN.
Huai Quang district, the tower will have an
Wow.
observation deck and a beautiful rooftop garden that
Bolehlah
offers
kita
a
guys jalan-jalan ke
360-degree view
Bangkok.
of the city of Bangkok.
InsyaAllah kalau ada masa.
Number 4, Signature Tower, Jakarta.
Oh,
The
wow. Wow guys. Oh my God. Signature Tower guys, nombor 4. Wow, cantiknya guys dia punya design. Oh my God. Mungkin ni dibuat dekat Jakarta ke guys? Kat mana? Oh, luar biasa. Cantik.
Signature Tower is a proposed skyscraper in Jakarta, Indonesia.
Oh, Jakarta.
It is planned to reach a height of 638 meters and will become the tallest building in Indonesia upon completion.
638
This
meter
building
guys.
is located
Oh
in
my
one of the most
God.
active seismic zones in the world.
Nah.
The high seismic
ASEAN
activity
lagi, guys.
and the
Asia Tenggara
extremely
lagi.
soft ground
Wow.
conditions pose major
Hebat tak,
challenges
guys?
for the engineers. Therefore, the engineers had to
Cantiknya,
perform
guys,
a
design
variety
dia.
of tests to assess the
Signature
building's
tower.
performance under different seismic hazard levels. In order to achieve a safe and reliable structure, very
Wow.
strong and resistant
Pembina
building
makin semangat
materials
guys nak
should
pergi
be used,
Jakarta,
which
nak
can
bergambar
withstand the
dengan ni.
vibrations and
Signature
displacements
Tower.
in the ground.
Oh, cantik. Cantik design dia.
Number 3, Merdeka PNB
Oh,
118.
Merdeka PNB pun nombor
The
3
Merdeka
guys.
PNB 118 is a 644-meter high skyscraper currently under
Okay
construction
guys, hari tu
in
Umi pergi
Kuala
KL guys,
Lumpur,
Umi dah pernah
Malaysia.
nampak guys. Memang
At an
betul-betul
estimated cost
dia.
of $1.2
Macam ni
billion,
lah bentuk dia
the
guys.
building
Umi
will
dah tengok
become
hari
the
tu Umi
tallest
pergi
building
KL.
in Southeast Asia and the second tallest building in the
Oh,
world. Over 10,000 people are expected to work in the building once it's completed. The design of the glass and steel of the building is inspired by the raised hand of
amazing
Tunku
semua
Abdul
guys.
Rahman and is
ASEAN.
intended to demonstrate Malaysia's independence.
Wow.
Construction of the mega project was
Tengok kan guys,
originally
daripada
scheduled to
ASEAN
be
semua.
completed by 2020,
Tadi
but the
Bangkok,
global pandemic delayed the process.
Jakarta,
In March
Kuala
2020,
Lumpur.
the construction site was shut
Wow.
down with only 8 more floors to go.
Amazing.
However, just 2 months later, work on the tower resumed under strict guidelines. In mid-2020, after the completion of the central core,
Umi
the
pun teringin
Merdeka
guys
Tower
nak pergi
became
nanti.
the tallest building in
Kalau Umi
Southeast
ada rezeki,
Asia.
Umi nak duduk kat hotel dia atas tu.
Number 2, Shimao Shenzhen Hong Kong International Center.
Hong Kong, okay.
The Shimao Shenzhen Hong Kong
Umi dah pernah
International
pergi guys Hong
Center
Kong
is a
dan 2 kali
mega-tall
Umi pergi.
skyscraper currently
Buat
under
masanya Umi dah 2
construction.
kali pergi guys.
With a height of
2013
700
dengan
meters, the skyscraper is set to
2018.
rise above China's current tallest building,
Oh.
the 632-meter
Tapi ni
high
kat
Shanghai
dekat
Tower,
Shanghai.
which is also currently the world's second tallest building,
Okay.
just behind the Burj Khalifa in Dubai.
Wow.
The environmental goal for the new
Hebat guys.
skyscraper complex is to obtain
Asia.
LEED Platinum certification, which only highly environmentally
Oh,
friendly
luar biasa.
skyscrapers
My
receive.
god.
With this in mind, the tower is designed to channel winds from the east
Amazing.
and northeast into open spaces to ensure natural
Nanti kita
ventilation
sama-sama
throughout
kumpul
the
duit
building.
guys untuk kita melancong
In
pergi
addition,
tengok menara-menara.
high-performance glass is
Kalau
used
kita
to
masih
reduce
hidup lah masa
heat
tu.
and improve the comfort of those working within the tower with plenty of natural
Oh,
light.
wow, cantiknya.
Number 1, Jeddah Tower.
Wow.
The Jeddah
Jeddah.
Tower, located in Saudi Arabia, is currently
Okay guys, yang Om Bin tengok guys daripada video ni semua daripada Asia guys. Tak ada pun yang daripada benua lain-lain. Benua Afrika ke, Eropah ke, benua Amerika ke guys, tak ada. Oceania pun tak ada guys, semua daripada Asia. Terutama daripada Asia Tenggara. Wow.
under construction. However, the future of the 1,000-meter high building is
Oh my
very
god,
uncertain.
1 kilometer guys.
Originally, the tower was supposed to become the next tallest building in the world and was planned to be completed in 2018. At the moment, however,
2018
it looks like
lagi.
the Jeddah Tower will instead become the tallest failed building in the world.
Oh,
Since the main investors
kenapa
were
pula dia
arrested
gagal?
in 2017, the construction site has not developed any further. The COVID-19 pandemic has not improved the situation either. Only the future will tell whether
Tak
the
apalah,
Jeddah Tower
harap-harap
will be
dia
completed
selesai dibuat
or
juga,
if it
guys.
will become a symbol of
Oh
unsuccessful
my god,
construction
tingginya.
projects. What do you think about
Amazing.
Asia's future skyscrapers? Which ones would you love to visit?
Oh.
Let us know in the comments down below.
Amazing
If you
guys
enjoyed this
semua.
video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Top
Oh my
Luxury.
God.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you
Okay,
in the
thank
next
you.
video.
Oh my god guys. Oh. Wow. Pertama kali Om Bin tengok video ni guys. Antara yang kesemua tu guys, Om Bin belum tengok lagi yang semua tu. Cuma yang kat KL tu, yang menara PNB 118 tu guys, Om Bin dah pernah tengok guys depan mata. So, tapi yang lain-lain tu, antara yang 10 tu, Om Bin satu je yang Om Bin tengok yang kat KL tu. Lepas tu yang lain-lain tu guys, mungkin sebab tajuk video ni dia kata untuk tahun 2030. So 2030 dah lebih kurang dalam 9 tahun lagi akan datang. Wow, 8 tahun lah, lebih kurang 8 tahun daripada tahun ni sekarang. Wow, tak dapat bayangkan guys. Kesimpulannya guys, daripada Asia semua 10 bangunan tertinggi tu daripada Asia. Yang baru, yang maknanya kira tengah dibangunkan. Oh my god. Dua tu daripada Indonesia, Pertamina tadi dengan Signature Tower. Malaysia satu, PNB. Lepas tu dekat Tianjin, Shenzhen, Chengdu, Hong Kong, Jeddah. Apa ni? Dekat Thailand satu guys. Amazing lah. Maknanya guys, daripada Asia Tenggara guys, ada Malaysia satu, Indonesia dua, dah 3. So Thailand tu satu. Ada 4 guys. Ada 4 yang daripada Asia Tenggara. Oh, tidak ketinggalan guys, Asia Tenggara. So hebat guys. Wow, amazing. Harap-haraplah semua akan siap, selesai semua. So terutama yang kat Jakarta tu guys, Om Bin kita ada peluang, terutama Om Bin. So Om Bin memang suka melancong guys. Om Bin ada peluang untuk pergi ke Jakarta, bergambar dekat bangunan dia tu. Dan dekat Thailand tu guys, Om Bin pun teringin juga nak pergi. Sebab Om Bin pernah pergi ke Thailand sebanyak 3 kali. Dekat Hong Kong tu pun sama, Om Bin masih boleh jangkau. Sebab dekat Hong Kong, Om Bin pernah pergi ke Hong Kong, berkunjung ke Hong Kong dah 2 kali guys. Om Bin pernah pergi ke Hong Kong. Tapi amazing lah guys semua. Wow, amazing. Hebat. Kalau kita doakan guys, moga-moga semuanya akan terlaksana. Itu cuma perancangan guys, tapi harap-harap semua akan wujud. Okay guys, itu sahaja video Om Bin. Dah, thank you.